How's it going, everybody? My name's John and this is LTD Woodworks. This here is going to be just a quick little shop update type video, obviously pertaining to lighting. So I've been using these, see if I can aim right here, these 4-foot strip LED lights to basically blanket the shop with lighting. And they work great, but there are times where basically I have a little bit of dark corners going on here. So I came across another video, you know how it is in the YouTube world, where they had these little 3-light LED light fixtures, and I figured I'm going to give those a try. Been seeing a lot of great reviews. This particular one had something like 5,000 or 6,000 5-star reviews. Figured that might be worth a shot. This little guy right here pumps out 6,000 lumens of power. That's a lot compared to, say, a regular incandescent light bulb at, I think, around 800 lumens. So it's going to pump out a whole lot more light. Not much to show you as far as the installation. As long as you already have a light fixture, light bulb light fixture, all you got to do is unscrew your old light bulb and screw this one in. That's it. Easy as can be. Me personally, I did have to add my own. I have this one and another one right above my bench. I've been struggling with lights right there. I've been using those little can lights to just give me a little bit more light on whatever I'm working on. So I figured I would share this real quick. I think, my personal opinion, y'all need to check this out. Obviously, here's a before shot. Here's an after shot. Much, much brighter. I mainly wanted to put one in this location because I'm about to start doing some lathe work for the very first time. So really excited about that, especially since my wife wants to join me. It was actually her idea. So anyway, that's going to be fun. And then, like I already said, one above my bench where the camera's sitting right here, just to add some more light. So maybe I'll give y'all a blanket overall view of the shop and give y'all a comparison there as well. So here's a before without those 2 lights turned on. And here's an after. Lights are now turned on. Okay, folks, so I figured I'd show you the box here. There's a couple things that kind of crack me up. Yes, these are made overseas. Sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes it's not. The things that crack me up on the box, it's labeled as deformable LED garage light. Deformable, I don't know. To me, that sounds bad, but I promise you they're good. Oh, and the color choices, got your black, gray, silvery. I don't know why, but that one cracks me up. Silvery, that's a good choice of words. Also point out, these right here are putting out 6,500 K. I'm suddenly drawing a blank on the choice of words there, but the color temperature, thank you. Knew I'd get there eventually. So anyway, these right here, price-wise, not too bad. There's going to be some that are cheaper and some that are more expensive. These, I think, were around $35, $40. I got them for Christmas, but if I remember correctly, that's what they are. And, of course, I will be leaving a link down below so you can go directly to them. And, of course, feel free to check any of the other ones out. I'm sure they're just as fine as well. There's probably hundreds of them. So anyway, I'm really happy with the new lighting in here. For now, we're going to catch y'all in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.